If you don't like high electric bills but still need to pump water, then build a hydraulic ram pump instead. First, grab your PVC pipes, T-joints, check valves and glue. Cut a length of PVC pipe for the inlet. Attach a check valve at the end to ensure water only flows one way. Next, connect the inlet pipe to a PVC T-joint. On one side, install the outlet pipe with a second check valve. This stops water from flowing back. Now, let's create the waste valve system. Attach a shorter pipe to a ball valve on the other side of the T-joint. This will handle excess water. We're almost there. Install a vertical PVC pipe above the T-joint to form the air chamber. Seal it with a PVC cap. Finally, connect the outlet pipe. Place the inlet pipe into a flowing water source. Open up the waste valve. As water flows, the check valves will do their magic, pushing water through the outlet pipe. And there you have it. A hydraulic ram pump that uses no electricity, runs continuously and is easy to maintain. Subscribe for more awesome DIY projects.